So what I do here is that I go to my browser, and in my browser I will go and on my browser I'm going to go and type the type the endpoint of what is called as portal.azure.com. When I go to the portal.azure.com, I am supposed to be entering a account to log into Microsoft Azure. You see here, it says pick an account to continue to Microsoft Azure. I have already got these accounts which are there. I may want to not use them, and I can say use another account here, right? Remember, this public account with which I have obtained the subscription. So I enter this account name. Then I'm supposed to be going here and entering the password, and I say sign in. Right? I don't want to save. You can see here it is a Microsoft account because it is outlook.com, and I say yes over here. Now I have been authenticated by Azure Cloud, and then I'm able to now log into my Azure portal. Now this is the portal interface through which I would be in a position to go and and create resources, manage my resources, etc. whatsoever. Very briefly, here if you look at it on the top left corner, I have this particular from where I can reach to the portal. This is a portal menu from which I can go to different sections of Azure to manage my resources. Here on my home page, I have some of the Azure services which are frequently accessed and used by me. Here I have subscriptions from where I can see the subscriptions that are associated with my account. I can see under navigation also subscriptions, resource groups, all resources, and dashboard. Here I have a search box where I can type anything I want to search for. Here I have an interface which is called as a cloud shell. Right? This cloud shell gives me the command line interface within the browser to use either PowerShell or the bash prompt to write the commands and to give the commands or run the scripts to manage my cloud, Azure cloud. Then here I have notification area. This is the place where whenever I create something or do something, I shall be able to see the current ongoing activity. I will get notifications related to errors or success or anything for that matter. Then here I have again got this account with which I have logged in into my Azure portal. So this interface is the browser-based Azure portal interface. Let me first of all examine the subscription that I have. This is my account, and if I go to subscriptions, I can see that I have a subscription here, and this subscription status is active. Right now Microsoft doesn't display this cost here because this subscription is a sponsorship subscription. That means it is a pre-credited account with some credits which I can use to create and manage my Azure cloud services. I want to experiment, I want to learn, therefore this subscription. Now if I click on this subscription here, I can see the subscription which is available to me. It says here my role. My role is the account admin role. That means I am the account administrator. I have the full privilege to do anything with this subscription as such. Azure offers you different type of roles which can be configured for different members of your team to manage different aspects of Azure cloud. I am the account admin, which is somewhat similar to a super user as such. Now here it tells me that I can go and visit my billing information by going into this link. If I go to this link, right, and I click on sign in, it is going to sign in into this portal so that I can see my billing information related to my subscription, right? So you can see here that I will have some money left, or whether I have subscription usage, etc. So you can see that I have a total credit of $100. It is expiring in another 20 days. I have used $48. and I have $52 already left with me. This is a sponsored subscription as such in this case, right? So this is my sponsored subscription in this case, and I can see currently used subscription, etc., whatever I have in this case. If at all I want, I can always update contacts so that I can get to see some more information related to my subscription usage, etc., notification and all kind of stuff that I have over here. Suppose I say that this is Nived MCT 14.0 and I say update, and it may update my contact here to probably send me notifications, etc., whatever I need in relation to my subscription as such over there, right? So in this fashion, I can come to know here about this subscription and gather this information over here. Also, if I want, I can go to usage page and I can gather that how much money has been consumed, the breakup of my consumption of my credits. So it will take a while before it can actually it can lead me to this page where I have this Azure sponsorship. This is the subscription name. When I click on this subscription, I can see here that how much money I have spent in different type of services which I am using. You can see that here the complete breakup. Many of them I have not consumed any credit because probably I could just created something but I did not consume anything as such. So here I have such breakup available to me. If I look at it, my maximum spending has been on virtual machine. I have spent $26. I have disks where I have spent $6. I have app services. I have spent around $5. Container instance, I have $2.58. Cosmos DB, and so on and so forth. So these are the many services which probably I created as a part of my training sessions. And it is giving me a transparent billing. Now that is the meaning when I say self-service. And second, I have a very measured services. That means each one of these services which I have used are the ones where I can see my details of subscription, consumption of my credits that I have used over here. Azure Cloud.